Okay, just received this moisturizer from Illiyoon, and it is a Ceramide Ato Lotion, which is really nice. So ceramide is actually really good for like its anti-aging properties and also for keeping your skin really moisturized. And this is also Korean Beauty, which you know is just going to be really good. So let me just try it out quickly. I just showered, so my face is clean, and we're actually going to test it out on my face. Okay, so this is kind of how the thickness is. It's actually pretty thick. It's got like a good texture to it. And then we're going to put it on my face. So it is thick, but it's also kind of like, I don't know how to describe it, like silky in a way. It gives you that shine. It gives you that kind of like Korean beauty shine that you don't really get from other moisturizers. If you can see that, so nice. Makes my skin so smooth. It's actually really soft. Wow, guys, this just made my skin like a baby, like feeling it. Super soft. I've never felt it like this before. This is really nice. It honestly doesn't really smell of anything, just maybe like a cream kind of smell, but wow, this is really nice. I definitely love this. And this is for your face and your body, so you can use it wherever. And I really love this. So if you're in the market for some Korean moisturizer, definitely recommend this one. Just look at the results of my face from it. Makes it very elastic and soft, like literally like a baby's skin. So for sure, check this out on Amazon.